All right, y'all, welcome back to Philly D's Garage. So today I got the Buick GS in here. We got to change the fog lights, which are these down here. So that's actually the one I got to change. So let me turn it on real quick and show y'all that the one side is definitely out. Turn the key on real quick. Yeah, man, these Regals have issues with the fog lights. All right, so it's on now. So y'all see one fog light is on and the other one is off. Yeah, so that one's on and this one's off. So we got to change that real quick. Just gonna show y'all how to do it real quick. But yeah, I've changed these fog lights like so many times on these cars between the two Buicks. I don't know, they just go. I never really have a issue with the headlights. I don't even know if I ever changed the headlights bulbs. I've changed the headlights before, but I don't think I've ever done a bulb. So usually it's just the fog lights that I have an issue with. So I'm gonna show you real quick the bulb that I have. Part number 899 Phillips. So I already cut it open. So this is the bulb that you're gonna use for your fog light. So real quick, I'm gonna take y'all down there and show you what you got to do. All right, so now we're underneath at the fog light right here. So mine's is gonna look a little different from yours unless you have an intercooler. But I got an intercooler right here, and these hoses are running right around a fog light, but there's enough space to get the connector off and twist the bulb out. So if you don't have an intercooler, you don't have to worry about this, but if you do, you might have to push it out your way just a little bit. So first thing you want to do is pull this connector off. It's coming out. You gotta get it out with one hand. All right, so once you get the connector off, and another thing I noticed, like, I never have electrical issues with these fog lights. It's always just the bulb that has an issue. Like, but I mean, that's a good thing, but just want to note that I don't have too many electrical issues with this car at all. So now you gotta get up in here and twist this bulb out. There we go. Oh man. So it actually came out into pieces. So that's another issue with these bulbs. Like, they really do get hot. Like, if you do want to get these out, this whole fog light, it's a 10 millimeter right there. And there's one over there. And then that thing just comes out. So I got the new bulb right here. We're gonna pop him in there. All right, this is gonna be a problem. So let me get that in there real quick. All right, y'all. So I got the bulb in there. In advance though, I got these intercooler lines right here, and the gasket that's on your bulb, I guess because it's new, it's pretty stiff. So between the gasket and these holes being in the way, it was pretty hard trying to turn this socket into place. So I used all these pliers right here. First I put the bulb in place, and then I used these pliers to twist it and set it to where it needs to be. So you might have to get a little creative to get that bulb in, because I can remember these for some reason these fog lights always been hard to twist in, and the only thing I can imagine is the gasket is just too thick. That's how they come. So now we can put the connector in there. Make sure. Oh, I'm tripping. I'm pushing and it's already in there. All right, so we got that in there. So now let's go up top and verify it's good. All right, so we up top. We're gonna turn the key on real quick. Make sure the button is on. All right, so they both on. So these fog lights get so hot. Like, I don't really know why, but on my other Regal, they was putting holes in the bottom of the whole housing itself. Like, they're just burning holes through them. So I don't know. That's just how they are. But so yeah, so now my bub is fixed. You don't really have to lift your car up. If your car not lowered, or you know, you're just a thin person, you should be able to just slide up under there and twist it out and change your fog lights. But yeah, man, that's how you change a fog light on pretty much most cars. Usually you could just get up under any car or truck and the fog light is right under the bumper. So yeah, hit the like button, comment below, subscribe to the channel if you like the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.